Millionaire, just think positive, just manifest. You need 17 streams of income. That's how you do it. Just shut the F up. So in today's video, I'm gonna reveal to you what secret traits that you need to goes against what our weak soft society is telling us right now. So I guarantee if you stick around until the end of the video, you are gonna hear things and you're gonna hear a fresh perspective that maybe isn't that nice, maybe isn't all roses and fairy tales, but I can tell you for a fact works, and I can tell you for a fact we'll get you to where you want to get to in life. Now the first secret millionaire trait. I know a lot of you that you're better than other people. Now bear in mind, you're not. Doesn't look at everyone around him and goes, yeah, I'm better than you guys do. You think that industry leaders and shakers don't look at themselves and go, yeah, I've got something special to me. Now when it gets dangerous, and I'm sure we all know these people are the ones that think that they are special, but they won't put in the work. The reason you can think you are better than work. So listen, you should absolutely believe you are special. You should absolutely believe that almost to an extent you're better than most other people who are so brain dead, so asleep, are so scared to run towards the things they want in life. So there is nothing wrong with having these feelings, as long as you back it up, because if you don't back it up, then it is simply delusional. And I will be honest with you, there are lots of people, as I said, I'm sure lots of people that are extremely delusional. They're like, I'm gonna be a billionaire. I was trying little side hustles and little businesses and this and that. So in life, humility is extremely important, and you should be able to assess your life situation and look at your life situation and not be like, as I said, these idiots that are like, oh, I'm gonna be a billionaire, and they just sit on their ass all day and don't do anything about it. You should feel special, and then you should put in a special amount of work, a special amount of dedication to prove it to the world, and that's exactly what I did. Now the next secret millionaire trait that you need to possess is you need to develop a high stress tolerance. I tell people time and time again, they're more than likely, most people think they want my life, but they don't really want my life, because listen, it's not easy to have 150 employees between multiple various companies, managing that with complex different corporate structures and trusts around the world, and investments and family planning, and taking care of my mom and my friends and my loved ones. Imagine that with all the social media, online BS and all the stuff that comes with it. But I've told people the reason that I like to talk very transparently and openly to people. You choose. I've told people many times when they ask me, I go, listen, I am built for this life because I have an insane stress tolerance, but my life is not the same life that other people should live. But the reason you clicked on this video is because you want to learn how to become a millionaire. And as I said, if you want to get to that position, you need to increase your ability to handle stress. Now bear in mind one thing I will say, it's not something that needs to happen overnight. It's something that progresses. I can handle a certain level of stress in 2023 that I simply couldn't handle in 2018 or 2019. In fact, some of my biggest businesses with the most amount of employees, the reason that I didn't pursue or start those businesses or move forward with those businesses in 2018 or 2019, even though I was given the opportunity to, people wanted to start the businesses with me, give me equity, blah blah, all this is because I simply knew that back then I did not have the stress tolerance to be able to deal with it. So it's not an overnight thing, it's something that you build over time. But as I said, don't come to the first roadblock and think, oh, it's tough. It's not meant to be tough. It's you. No, it's all meant to be roses and fairy tales. I'm just trying to give you very clear expectations. I think when someone can talk to you very openly and honestly and say, then listen, it's not all perfect, I feel like at least you're a little bit more prepared to go into war. So definitely I can say this about myself, and definitely I can say this about some of the most successful people I know in any realm in life. By the way, any realm, whether that's sports, whether that's business, whether that's even a high income career working for a very lucrative company, you need to be able to handle a high level of stress and embrace it. The third trait to become a millionaire that simply isn't talked about enough is your charisma and your ability to persuade. Now, of course,